everyone! I'm the HIWIN Ambassador. I'm excited to take you on a fascinating journey through the history of smart manufacturing and the evolution of HIWIN. Are you ready? Let's go! With industries evolving rapidly, the era of smart automation emerged, powered by technologies like sensing, motion control, and more. In the late 18th century, the UK's power loom used steam to replace manual labor, sparking the first industrial revolution. By the early 20th century, electrified assembly lines ran on takt time to support mass production. In 1913, Ford introduced the moving assembly line, dramatically boosting output and igniting the second industrial revolution. The Programmable Logic Controller, or PLC, was invented in 1969. In the 1970s, the third industrial revolution began, launching Taiwan's manufacturing industry. As CPU technology advanced, numerical control machines evolved into CNC systems, delivering higher precision and enabling fully automated production lines. When HIWIN was founded in 1989, each machine was manually operated by one operator. Grinding a workpiece took 90 minutes and over 600 manual steps, while training a skilled operator required up to 180 days. In 1994, HIWIN introduced NC machine tools to replace repetitive manual work, reduce human error, and improve efficiency and product stability, offering a clear advantage over manual control. Grinding time dropped from 90 to 60 minutes, and average training time was cut by 1/3 to 120 days. In 2000, CNC machines were introduced, reducing reliance on operator skill and improving precision. Grinding time dropped by another third to 40 minutes. Each operator could handle 2 machines, and training time fell to just 60 days. In 2008, HIWIN's intelligent robots joined the production line, taking over loading, unloading, and cleaning tasks. This reduced machine idle time, enabled continuous stable production, boosted daily output by 12%, and cut grinding time to just 35 minutes. In 2012, HIWIN machines adopted monitoring systems to record operations and enable real-time data analysis. In 2016, IoT brought QR codes to industrial PCs for live tracking. In 2018, HIWIN adopted cloud systems to store and analyze production data. Through continuous process optimization, grinding time fell to 25 minutes, while training time dropped to just 30 days, only 1/6 of the original. In 2020, HIWIN adopted smart IoT and AMRs. Through cyber-physical integration, every station stayed connected, enabling operators to manage more machines at once. Training time dropped to just 21 days. Managers could monitor operations remotely and plan production schedules and predictive maintenance in advance. HIWIN developed patented multifunctional sensors and AI algorithms to monitor critical components in real time. Its green design enables life prediction and smart lubrication, cutting lubricant use by 40 to 70%. HIWIN's smart manufacturing journey is like a miniature industrial revolution. With smart factories as the foundation, we bridge the physical and digital worlds, using technologies to elevate every stage to high intelligence and customization. The key to smart manufacturing lies in enhancing 4 areas. People, leadership with a strong determination for transformation and cultivating cross-disciplinary talents. Materials, collaborating with suppliers to strengthen a shared value chain and striving for net zero through smart manufacturing. Hardware, upgrading digital systems for greater reliability and flexibility. Methods, digitizing process recipes and building a culture that supports innovation and continuous improvement. Step by step, HIWIN has progressed from standardized workflows to intelligent automation, integrating big data analytics and cloud platforms to create a fully connected digital ecosystem for both production and product lifecycle management. Just like cell division, smart manufacturing continues to evolve. HIWIN is firmly on the path of sustainable development, aiming for resilient and organic growth. Don't you think today's smart factories are worlds apart from those of the past? Let's look forward to a future full of possibilities.